I'm Becky Buttons with Brick City Button Makers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lay out a 4-inch button graphic page. Laying out a 4-inch button graphic page is kind of a pain in the butt because it requires transparency and other things so that the corners of your graphics don't overlay on top of each other, and it requires the ability to record actions. So Photoshop has all of those things, but if you can't afford Photoshop or you don't have a subscription to Photoshop or you don't want to pay for it, Photopea is a really powerful program that has almost all of the same features that Photoshop has. So I highly recommend it. And let me show you right now how to use it to lay out a page of 4-inch button graphics. So I'm using the desktop version of Photopea, which is kind of new. It was previously a standalone, it was a web-based app, and now they've got a desktop version, which probably still requires internet. So I've laid out my button graphic with just one layer named layer 1 and a transparent background. This is really important if you need a video on how to set up your graphics like this. I can do a separate video on that. This one's focused on laying out your page. So it needs to be transparent. That's the most important part. And we're leaving that called layer 1 so that our actions can translate to multiple different files. We need to be able to see our layers, and we also need to be able to see our actions. So click on the play button here for your actions palette. You can also click here for window, click window layers or window actions to see your palettes. We're going to create a new action, action 2 in this case. All right, and we're ready to go. So we're going to record the action. And the first thing we want to do is click on image and then click on canvas size. Now this might be on pixels when you first come in here, and this anchor point will be in the center. You want to change this to inches. We were going to change the page size to 8.5 by 11. And we're going to put the anchor point that's the top left corner. Then we're going to click OK. Then you can see the actions are recording, right? So that canvas size action was recorded. Over here, we're going to right click and select duplicate layer. Next, we're going to come over to our tools palette and click on the move tool. Click on the layer we just duplicated and move it to where we want it. Next, we're going to come back to the layers palette, right click again and click duplicate layer. Then we're going to use our move tool and click on the layer and move it to where we want it. All right, we're pretty much done and ready to print this page. Okay, so we're gonna stop our actions. I could save this file out if I wanted to, but we're done. So now I'm gonna show you how to apply this action that we just did to a group of photos. So we're gonna go to File and select Automate, Batch. Then we're gonna click Source Files and go to our folder of button graphics that we've saved with one layer and transparency. We're going to select the action we just created. We want to save out a PDF. Okay, and then we're just going to click Process Images. All right, and that's going to give us a zip file which we can save, and then I can go in here and unzip it. And you can see that I now have a folder of 4-inch button graphic pages that I can queue to the printer. That's pretty much all there is to it. Photopea will set you free. Thanks so much for watching, and happy button making.